So for this month that you're programming, as you're conditioning your energy systems training, you have a kettlebell complex. So a complex is a series of exercises strung together and done right in a row, and it makes for a little bit of a longer set, and it should help get your heart rate up and give you a good training effect. So I want to show you how to do that. So that the workout specifically says 5 one-arm swings, followed by 3 one-arm cleans, followed by 2 rack position squats. Okay, so what that's going to look like, is I'll show you one round, is this. Five swings, 3 cleans, and now finally 2 squats. So that would be one set. After that, you'd set the bell down, rest for a second if you need to, and then you would go right to the left side and you would start from there. Okay? You're gonna work continuously through this for however much time it says on your program, resting as needed, and over the course of the weeks, you're gonna work to be able to go at a faster pace, maybe with a heavier weight, or maybe even stringing multiple sides together without even having to rest.